Hey there. Welcome to the Review Scout, your go-to destination for unbiased insights and trusted recommendations. Today, I'm diving deep into one of the most exciting launches of the year, a method that's creating real income for everyday people with something as simple as a PDF. That's right. It's called the PDF flipping method, and it's gaining massive traction. Whether you're a total beginner or someone who's tried multiple online systems, this might just be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. So what's this all about? The PDF flipping method is a recession-proof approach that helps you turn underutilized digital content, especially PDFs, into income-generating assets. We're talking about people making $500 to even $5,000 daily, spending just about 30 minutes a day. And no, there's no need for ads, no employees, and zero dependence on tricky algorithms that can ruin your income overnight. This system is built on mastering just one simple skill. And once you've got it, you'll never have to worry about unpredictable platforms or expensive traffic sources again. It's not about creating from scratch or becoming a tech wizard. You're learning a repeatable method where you find digital documents that already exist, enhance them using a guided process, and turn them into products people actually want to buy. Here's the best part. It's currently available for just $19 as a special launch offer. That's a huge discount from the original $297 price tag. The goal is to bring in more testimonials and success stories. Once they hit that milestone, the price goes back up permanently. So if you're even remotely interested, the time to act is now. Inside the PDF flipping training, you'll go through a comprehensive 3-day live masterclass. You'll learn how to identify valuable but overlooked PDFs, enhance them using provided tools, and then package and sell them, all without needing a website or even your own product ideas. The system includes real-life examples, instructional walkthroughs, and even shows you how to automate the whole process using AI. Now let's talk about why this stands out from everything else online. Traditional online business methods often require a heavy investment in ads, long content creation hours, or years of learning marketing skills. But this method skips all of that. You're using a 30-minute workflow that gets repeatable results. No websites, no funnels, no ad spend. You're selling directly through existing platforms using enhanced PDFs. And because you're not depending on algorithms, your income won't suddenly disappear when platforms change their rules. The creator of this system shared their own story. Years of trial and error led to this method that finally made digital product creation simple. It focuses on enhancement over creation, and it gives you control, clarity, and flexibility. With this one skill, you can truly design your daily routine around freedom. Imagine waking up without the pressure of managing a full-time schedule. You spend 30 to 45 minutes enhancing a PDF, upload it, and then enjoy the rest of your day doing what matters most to you. That's the kind of lifestyle this method promotes: flexible, scalable, and realistic. You're not just getting training either. This launch includes 8 high-value bonuses, completely free. First, there's Creator Copy Pro, a lifetime license to AI software that generates your sales pages, emails, and social media content automatically. Then you get 2 ready-to-sell PDF products you can start making money with instantly. Also included is a premium design template library to give your PDFs a professional look, and a niche research system to help you discover the most profitable markets. There's also a private VIP Discord community, 48-hour replay access, a custom GPT that helps you find profitable niches, and even a partner seat, so your spouse, friend, or teammate can join the training for free. Together, these bonuses alone are worth over $2,400, but they're included with your $19 ticket. Over the 5 days of training, yes, 2 bonus days are included, you'll get a full step-by-step walkthrough. Day 1 sets your foundation with launch preparation and the quick flip formula. Day 2 introduces advanced AI tools to help you write and design your PDFs fast, while also teaching you how to turn a simple PDF into a high-ticket offer. Day 3 covers automation, AI-driven sales, marketing automation, and building a system that runs while you sleep. The bonus days are just as powerful. You'll learn how to scale, attract premium clients, and even get live feedback on your projects. There's a live Can Day where you can ask anything, from tech to mindset to marketing, and get direct answers. What makes this training different is that it's built on leverage, not labor. You don't have to start from scratch. You're not trying to beat the algorithm. And there's no need to spend hours creating content. The strategy is all about transforming existing documents into high-value digital products backed by a proven process. Still wondering if it works? There are testimonials from real students who applied the system and seen real results. One student made nearly $3,000 in just 3 weeks by enhancing and selling a basic nutrition PDF. Another built a 6-figure business in the health niche by applying the strategy consistently. Of course, results vary and depend on your effort, but the proof is there. The training is also protected by a triple guarantee. First, if you attend day 1 and don't believe it's valuable, you can request a full refund. Second, if you follow the system for 30 days and don't flip your first PDF for profit, the creator will personally help you and refund your payment. Third, there's a 10x return promise. If you don't earn at least $190 within 60 days, you get your money back. So you're covered from every angle. It's also worth noting that this method works worldwide. It doesn't matter where you live or whether you have any prior experience. The strategy is simple, adaptable, and works in any country. You don't need special technical skills, and you don't need to worry about market saturation, because there are endless niches and content sources available. This is your opportunity to master a single skill that can unlock real income potential. If you're tired of chasing random shiny objects, if you felt stuck trying to figure out online income, this is your chance to focus on something that actually works. A skill that you can repeat, improve, and grow over time. Enrollment closes on July 13th at midnight, and after that, the special $19 offer disappears. Seats are limited to just 500 participants, and a large number have already been claimed. If you're still listening to this, you probably know deep down that you're ready to try something new, something that finally makes sense. So ask yourself, do you want to keep guessing, or do you want a step-by-step system that's worked for thousands? Do you want to stay stuck or finally take control of your digital income journey? You can choose to invest less than the price of dinner, just $19, and potentially learn a method that could transform your future. Remember, this isn't just a class. It's a complete system with tools, bonuses, live support, and lifetime access to key resources. Whether you're using this to create a side income or to eventually replace your job, the foundation starts here. I'll drop the link in the description so you can claim your spot while seats are still open. Don't wait until it's too late. Join the movement, master the method, and start flipping PDFs into profit. Thanks for watching. This is a Review Scout, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful review. Until then, stay curious, stay focused, and as always, stay ahead of the game.